All right, we have a ton of junk from moving. So there's tons of boxes and things like that. And what do I do with them? I don't know what to do with them. I have these, we have to pay for the garbage man to come and pick up stuff. I know everyone does, but like you have to pay a private garbage man to come up and grab all this stuff. And I don't really want to pay a guy extra money to come and grab the boxes. I don't know where the dump is. And I asked someone about this. I asked the yard guy about it, because there is a guy that mows the lawn. Said, what do we do with this? And he looked at me with kind of a funny look on his face. And he said, what do you mean? I said, well, I need to get rid of it. There's too much stuff here. And he said, you just burn it. Why would you take it to the dump? You just burn it. He goes, I could take it to the dump to you, but why would you want to do that? You just burn it. Let me show you what else.
I'm Brooke, and this is Braden. We have 4 kids, Rooney, Penn, Leo, and Yanni. Our way of life is different. 7 years at sea, and now a farm in Tennessee. Our home is where our feet land, with heart and home being movable, and time being non-renewable. Around the world we go, as we roam to know. Welcome aboard Mermaid Monster.
So all this is dead limbs and trees that my dad decided that he grabbed a little saw and he started just chopping down all these scab trees, he called them, and tried to get them all down. He got all of this junk. There's like this old pad, cement pad that's sitting right here. There's probably an old structure on. All of this junk. And we're gonna burn it. We got some marshmallows. Brooke's probably got some gluten-free crackers somewhere, graham crackers, and we are gonna burn this stuff. I hope we got chocolate. That's one thing I did not see in the grocery bag, but I hope we have some chocolate. So the kids are slowly loading it up in the truck, and I'll take it up the hill. There's a service road on the other side of the property. I'll take it up the hill, and we'll go to like this burn pit. And luckily, there is a water tap right next to the pit, so no risk of the wrong things burning. So I will say a side note on this. The first time Brooke went to church here, she went to church, she met an old friend that she grew up with actually, that actually lives here now too. And one of the first things that he said to her, you got a property? How many acres you got? You got a burn pit? Can I come over? It was kind of funny. So I guess he knows other people with properties, and he knows they have burn pits, and he likes bonfires. Simple as that. Who doesn't like a bonfire? Where are we going? What? Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my gosh, it looks just like a junkyard up there.
Where are we going?
The burn pit. They'll burn some stuff. Dad, I'm gonna use the stick to do Coil de Ville. Remember that? Where you light it on fire, blow it out, and you can draw things with the smoke.
That's called doing the Coil de Ville?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because she takes the cigarette and draws things in the air.
Got it.
Let's go, let's go.
This is the burn pit. It hasn't been used in years, you can totally tell. I don't think the last owners of the home used this to burn things because it looks way too clean. I just hope it just doesn't make a mess forever. We gotta make sure everything gets burned.
Coil de Ville. Mom wants you to get the truck to put it back here.
Why?
So we can like have a clean spot. The camera can't see it. Light it?
Hold on.
Yeah,
sure, light it up. No, so Penn, we gotta teach you some things, okay? You light the boxes on the bottom, not on the top.
Oh,
and then the flames go up and get all the top boxes.
not burning the box. The box is not burning.
Okay.
What is it doing?
Here.
Like the what?
Lessons. You need lessons.
We
Light
need
down
to find-
here
Oh, crap.
because there's a lot of air around it, so it'll light up a lot quicker.
Oh, I should take my coil to veil stick out. I have a
This
torch.
fire's gonna die if you don't put more into it.
Oh, ash.
So who found this little guy?
Dad. He was stuck in there.
Oh, hi!
Don't. So
I'm trying to get him.
the turtle was stuck in that ditch,
Yeah.
and he could not get out. Mommy,
Oh my gosh. Leo, look.
He would
Come
get
here.
so close to me.
Okay, so this is the deal with living on a farm. I'm in the shower and I hear there's a turtle outside. So we come out. Sure enough, there's a turtle. I'm guessing maybe it was someone's pet, but I don't even think so because there's no one around us. So we're on 10 acres and there's no one around us. We have neighbors, but I don't think they have a turtle. So what should we do with them? We let him go? Should we keep him? Should we just let him be our farm pet? I don't know. He's cute though.
We do have kids.
Oh, he's so cute. Hi, God. He's not shy. He's not shy at all. Makes me think he might be like someone's pet. He doesn't even care about people. I don't want the dogs to get him. Bowie is like feral. She's like a crazy animal, so I'm worried she's gonna eat him.
Mom, we have a cage and like a red light left over from the other people.
Okay, so we might have to save this turtle, but we also have another project we're working on. Braden really wants goats. I don't really want goats because they chew and eat everything. But we actually are set up here to have goats. This previous, not the owners we bought it from, but before that, this is a sheep farm. It used to be a sheep farm. There was 100 head of sheep on this property. So it's actually set up for goats, sheep, but I'll show you what we're trying to fix and like what kind of projects. This lens is kind of distortive, but whatever. Let me show you what we need to do. We aren't farmers, clearly. We've been seafarer pirates for the last 7 years. So this is a big change, but we have to go to this tractor supply store, which is like the West Marine, but you know, for farmers, kind of the same vibe. So Braden's all excited. He's like, what can I waste my money on there? So this is the outbuilding for the goats, and I'll show you what we need to fix. Okay, so this is the pen, but the problem is, this is the pen, but the problem is it's breaking. This fence is falling over. So we need to take out this post, this post, this post, and this post, and redo them, and then put chicken wire on the inside. But these guys put a little house for the goats to jump on, which is cute. We also need to change this door because it's kind of crappy. This is the chicken coop. Fun fact too is we have a groundhog living under our house. Gotta get rid of him. This is Braden's new truck. Feels really nice to have a car again. A big car. Okay, so where are we going?
Tractor supply. So the question is, you go to the tractor supply that's more out in like the rural area because they're gonna have not city stuff, which we want, or do you go to the tractor supply that's in like closer to the city, which is gonna have like Christmas lights and stuff like that?
Christmas. What the heck, Brayden? It's October. I mean, it's not even. It's September.
They have that. The one thing that they do have right now that's pretty impressive is they have that big steel Christmas chicken. You seen that?
I want the big
Oh
steel
my gosh,
Christmas
go.
chicken.
We have to leave.
Yep, Christmas chicken it is.
It's enormous. It's like it would be like the country version of the Home Depot skeleton, you know?
Yeah, no thank you. Let's just go, please. Oh, did you sign the UPS thing on the door?
You can't sign it. It doesn't matter.
It says it needs a signature.
No, they won't take a signature. It says.
Oh, all right.
Coming back.
Here we go. Are we gonna go get some stuff at Tractor Supply?
Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers. I'm not taking a picture, silly boy. We're gonna go. Okay, come on, let's go.
So get the nice ones at Rogue Fitness.
Oh jeez, baby's going. We don't need nice mats. There's baby sister. Mom.
If you go to like Rogue Fitness, which is like what a lot of gyms are outfitted with, for the nice mats that they have, it's about $5 a square foot. They come in 2 square foot tiles.
These are like $37 for a 4x6 pad. So
how much are they?
Like 37. Is that
They're
$5 a
56.
square?
56 it says.
Oh, well those are for bigger ones.
So what's the square footage that you just said?
I don't know.
The summer came for us and showed us what we
Oh, that's what we need.
Yeah.
We need
I'm
some new gates.
riding to myself.
Yeah, these are the sides.
that's
I'd
About
say.
things you said,
I think-
about things you said. Slow
Leo just walked through that. There's all these ways he could have gone and we went through the barbed wire. Guys, what are we even doing? We have no business pretending like we can have farm animals.
Shadows you cannot
Ugh.
see.
Can have
I brush aside. You're on my mind.
This one is definitely the one that is like HOA approved that most people have to use out in the area if you live in the Williamson County area.
Okay, so we got a bucket. We got 2 brushes. We got a huge giant thing of paint at the register somewhere. We got one cute baby. She's so cute. Hi, baby sister. Hi, baby. You got milky face. Hi, cute girl. She's so cute. Do you love her? Yeah. And then we need to get, the other stuff we need to get is at a different store, but we're getting 4x4s posts, and then we need 1x6 planks to fix the fences. I think we're good. We're farmers now. So I gotta talk with an accent, y'all. Oh my gosh, these things are heavy. Wow. Okay, get out. Let's go eat our lunch. We got Chipotle and then we gotta get to work. I'm gonna start painting while the kids have tutoring for 2 hours today. And then we're gonna go hang with some of our friends.
Yeah. So what if someone goes under there and they look at it? They're gonna know it's not painted.
Getting paint everywhere on the grass. Maybe we'll kill all these. Look at all these holes we have.
You know what they're from?
The animals.
A lot of it is from the armadillos.
Armadillos can't fit in holes this big.
That's it. They put their nose down there to get bugs.
They're so cute though. Someone told me they carry diseases, but they're cute. So this is gonna take way too long. Show them the fence. I painted just this and it's taking me like half an hour. One side.
Yeah, you need a spray gun.
Yeah. Where do we get one of those? Let's go get one after the kids are done tutoring.
Home Depot.
Okay, let's go get
I like
it.
how you said that tutoring. You made it like very clear that the kids are being educated.
They are.
Of course they are.
By professional educators. This a little ASMR. Isn't that nice? Big strokes.
You're gonna get your paint on us.
It's a nice sound, isn't it? Show them the difference, like the before and after.
Yeah, there's the. Hey, what color paint is this?
Black.
No, HOA approved black.
Yeah. HOA approved. We're like, what does that mean? And they're like, Braden's serious that this brand gives the HOA gives them a kickback. He's probably right.
They give
a lot
the
of cars
HOA a
right now.
kickback.
This road's never busy, and it's like really busy.
No, it's because it's getting off work time.
I think school is getting out.
Yes. A good job. So that one 6 foot section took you about 30 minutes.
Well,
So-
we have like many acres of fencing, so that's good.
If the perimeter of the property is a half a mile, there's easily
More than a half.
Two
It's a couple
to-
miles of
2 to
fence.
3 miles of fences. Yeah.
Yeah, easily.
Hey, how many sections are you down now?
This is our 4th. Yeah.
It's been 2 hours.
No, it's been not even an hour. We're moving pretty good.
Yeah, Rooney, you got great painting clothes on.
I know, I'm like, do not get it on your stuff. It's like pretty thick, it's like tar.
You're starting from the bottom to the top?
Yeah, Braden, we're doing however we want. Okay, so this is literally the most ghetto setup ever, but there's an electrician in the other room with Braden, so it's kind of awkward to film. Last night, Braden was up until, I want to say almost 1, researching how to paint fences. I actually wish I was kidding, but he really was. He's been researching how to paint fences, and we realized that we got all the wrong supplies, the wrong sprayer. We got an airless sprayer, but we also bought a compressor because the really smart people at Home Depot said that that's what we needed. And then we got home and we're like, that doesn't actually make any sense. And so we realized it's all wrong. We have to go all the way back. We went to 2 different Home Depots last night. Anyway, it's just a whole different world, you know. It's not boat stuff. It's now painting fences, which has consumed Braden's time. I'm like, hey, Braden. He's like, just one more video. And I look over and it's just a man going, so I'm pretty sure it's more for the ASMR and not even the education of it all. Maybe we should make an ASMR painting video. I like it. Anyway, here we are today. We're gonna try to assemble those horse mats from Tractor Supply Company into our home gym, and we're gonna go return everything from Home Depot, get everything that we need that actually works, and then we're gonna party with some friends tonight. You know, partying means like obviously drinking water and hanging out with friends. We don't drink, so we party, but we don't party like that. You know what I mean? Hello. Look at that red mouth from sucking Binky. Hi, baby sister. Oh, you're so cute. You sleep like a queen. Look at that bed. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, baby sis.
Let's play it.
Where's Daddy?
I know.
You don't know?
No.
Go find him?
Yeah, that's outside.
He's outside?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh gosh. Okay. Brittany, can you help him? Okay. Alright, let's go find Daddy. Come on. Let's go find him.
Whoa, look at this. What is it? It's a whip.
Hey, what's Dad doing? showed you that time lapse. Flip on light. It smells like horse mats in here. Oh, not a bad solution, right? We're gonna put mirrors all along here. Probably like some kind of weightlifting tower, and then maybe a Pilates reformer, and maybe a treadmill. We're at a place called Lucky Lad Farm. For some reason, Penn, move. I can't take Leo seriously right now. He's so cute. We're gonna check it out. I don't know if we're gonna film in here or not, we're gonna see, but this is supposed to be it's in the top 15 best pumpkin patches in the United States. And it's 25 minutes from our house. So we'll see what we think of it. But yeah, I don't know. We're just kind of figuring out what the heck we want to film these days.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Hand feed it.
No.
That's nasty.
Because it peed. That's nasty. Leo, what kind of animal is that?
It's duck.
A duck?
Yeah.
That is
That's
a
a big
very
duck.
big duck. Stuff is really red.
Oh yeah, it is. Is it the same color that you got at Home Depot?
Yeah.
Wait, how come?
So much more money at the other place. Why?
Yeah, it's $15 a can.
And look at these. Oh, is it supposed to go like this, Dad?
There's none. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just put a primer on it and
Spray paint the
now
camera.
I'm painting it red. Okay, so we're headed out on a little adventure. We are going to go look at a potential animal for the farm. Are you excited?
No, but I know. No, I am. But I know. Out of, if I would say, who was the most excited, I would say Rooney.
If that gives you any clues as to what we're going to go see. I don't know how Braden feels about this. You want to chime in?
Look, this is, I'm excited. Yeah. It's in the middle of nowhere. The claim to fame of this city is...
Flame?
The
Claim to fame.
Claim to fame is a bread pudding festival?
Banana pudding festival.
Banana pudding, which sounds great. I think it's out of season, but it sounds great.
Yeah, no, it's cool. I am excited. I'm excited to meet the people of this farm because they just seem like really cool people. So we're gonna go. It's about an hour and a half away from our house, and then we're actually packing up and going to California for a few weeks because we got to take care of some stuff out there. So our life is just ever moving. It's never dull, that's for sure. So join us on this little adventure. Hey, Mama. She's so cute, though.
Huh. I think they just said it. Just said
I always feel like awkward. confused.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is...
Enforced, or how does that? Yeah.
Come here. You want to feed her first?
No.
He knows what he wants.
Yeah.
Your legs on both sides. You feel what I'm right? Are you cowboy? You like yeehaw? Did you say yeehaw? Or are you being shy?
That's your size.
Can you imagine him? Oh my gosh. Were you crying? That's what tears in your eyes. Were you? Oh, I think you're gonna be our cowboy, honestly. You like horses.
I think you'll like my
Leo, my turn! So if you're a horse person, you'll know exactly what breed of horse this is. It's a Frisian. It's a fairy tale breed that I have been obsessed with since I was tiny. Mom and Dad chime in here. You know how much I love these horses. They're hard and rare to find in the United States, but we found this farm in Tennessee. It's Iron Hills Farm. It's family run, and they're lovely people. And she's been breeding horses for quite a number of years. She's actually pregnant, so if we end up with her, we'll have a foal due in June, which I've never done. I've helped deliver a baby horse, but I've never had my own foal. Right now, she currently has this little foal at her side and that is leaving tomorrow to go to its new owner. But it's so fun to just, like, this is like a dream come true for me. Just being able to look at horses and potentially get my dream horse, and not only that, but to have a dream horse baby in the fall or in the summer. I can't even tell you how exciting it is for me. So we're just out here. It's only an hour and a half from our house. We're just scoping it all out and seeing if this is the right fit for us, but keep you posted. It's exciting. I know it's different from boat content. Just understand this is my dream right here. So, no mean comments.
Mom,
People think we're nuts. And we're like, yeah, we are.
Do you need a magic kiss?
I think that